Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this brand new video we will discuss about how to make a photo collage on iPhone without any third-party app. So please watch this full video till end. So after watching this full video, tell me in the comments that will you make a photo collage on your iPhone or not. Here in this video you can see that is how look like a collage photo on your iPhone. So now we are going to start. First of all, you have to go to shortcuts on your iPhone. Here in the bottom of the page, you can see the gallery option at the right side. Tap on it and here search for photos. Next you have to tap on plus icon at the photo grid option so that photo grid will add it to your shortcuts. Now tap on add shortcut. So now here you can see photo grid option at the top of the shortcuts. Simply tap on photo grid option, then select the photos that you want to make collage photos. Here I am selecting 6 photos as an example. Now wait for a while and that is how your collage photo look like. Now tap on share icon, then here tap on save image to save this image in gallery. Also you can share this image to any social media. Next we will open the gallery to check this photo. So here in the gallery you can see that the photo is saved. So that is how easily you can make a photo collage on iPhone without any third party. I hope this video is very helpful for all of you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.